Geno magudi nengogi yot mosebedo kadhi nyime kadho nam chumbi biro rume thuolo mar higni 4 mabiro ka oganda to dhi chako donjo udigo mosetieki giko mar higani. Apisa mochung'ne gedo magute ne nengogi yot makadho nam chumbi John Karanja wacho ni udi moinga 100,000 magedo gi dhi nyime e gwenge makadho nam chumbi dhi miyo rawere maromo 300 tije. Karanja wacho ni gedo mar udigo monyo omenda maromo siling bilion 40 ka bende gedo mag osiptende, chiro kod skunde mag nyithind nasari bende dhi nyime.
Tasema hivi kuanzia December, this coming December right now, 10th of December, the government will start giving keys to already established units which were in Lot 1. Lot 1 by December, January, zitakuwa we are on a different stage. This being Lot 2, which runs up to next year, but one around January. So you can see it takes us 18 months for an entire contract to mature. And this contract overlapping, this one starts January, the other one starts June, the other one says September, like that. So in a span of about 3-4 years, we should be able to having house owners substantially. Affordable housing program si nyumba tu peke yake, bali kwa site kuna vitu tunaita supporting infrastructure. Kwa mpangilio wa affordable housing, ni watu unaweka pale. Kwa hivyo unaweza kuwa na site ambapo unajenga hospitali, na hiyo hospitali